Hey, what's up guys? Antonio here once again with another Ford Police Interceptor video. In this video we have a 2016 Ford Police Utility with about 100,300 on the actual odometer that is now ready to be sold. So if you guys have any questions about this vehicle or any of the vehicles that we may be working on, please give us a call 909-457-5500 or visit our webpage at CA, that's CA for California, unfortunately, right? CAinterceptors.com, right? So that's CAinterceptors.com and see if the vehicle is up. If the vehicle is listed, then the vehicle is available, okay? If it's not listed, then car's gone. But give us a call. My name's Antonio. I'll always be able to help you out, help you source the right car and for you or your business. All right guys, so 16 Interceptor, let's go. Two halogen unity spotlights, obviously fully functional. Okay, you have a Go Rhino push bar. On the Go Rhino push bars, you know, they're real heavy, real heavy push bar, solid, real solid. I love it on the Go Rhino product. I think it's phenomenal, strength wise as well. Goodyear Eagle RSA all the way around, 245, 55, 18 all the way around, good tire life remaining. Okay, you do have two antennas at the top, are just for display only. Okay, they are not functioning or connected to any light system. Okay, this is a regular 87 unleaded. Okay, I do have a flex fuel white coming out. That's a 16 or a 17, really rare. Keep in mind, the Interceptors are always gonna be all-wheel drive, rear parking sensors, okay? And some of them will have backup camera. Obviously this one is equipped and it is functioning. All right. All of our vehicles, guys, are also test driven for about 300 miles. We're at least going to put 100 miles on it, but in most cases, we do about 300, right? So, plus we service some oil, serpentine belts. Okay, we make sure that obviously California, we got to do a smog on it. They're all clean titles. We do not sell anything that's salvage. Okay, we stay away from those nightmares. Okay, salvage, unsafe. We don't do frame damage. All of our cars, guys, are clean titles. Okay, minor accidents are perfectly normal on these vehicles because of what they use them for. Okay, but at least we're not getting into anything that's like salvage, airbag deployment, none of that stuff that other people decide to get on too. All right, so this is a 3.7 engine, not the 3.5, 3.7 natural aspirated. Okay, all right, so now let's go to the inside and I'll show you what this bad boy has. All right, so this is driver's door. Heavy door, more likely has ballistics panels. Okay, dome light at the top. Okay, I heard someone call the dome light the red part. When it goes to red, I actually have them heard they call it a heater. It's no damn heater there. But anyways, that was pretty funny. You have a center console with a cup holder, metal cup holder in the back. Okay, face plates. Okay. Perfect. Okay, you do have this one here, which is your trunk timer. So in order for you to open up the trunk, the keys has to be in the on position or accessory mode. Hit it on, gives you a notification here, and then with a notification with a trunk open, yellow. Okay, then you have about 45 seconds was what I've been told, that 45 to a minute that you can actually go and open up the actual door, okay, in the back. All right, so that is your driver's side. Forgot to show you this. Okay, you got a full cage. Okay, shotgun holder. All right, look at this rear door. Check this out, guys. Full setup. Cage, partitions cage. Okay, hard seat, prisoner seat, hard panels. Yeah, right. Seatbelt's fully functional. Let's clip this on. Perfect. Okay, AC super cold. All right, so let's open up that trunk. 1 second. All right, your trunk. Okay, you have a Troy. Okay, Troy setup. Okay, check this out. You got some lights here, right? We don't even bother with those lights, removing them. We just leave them on. Those are not even, they're not connected. Plus, those are red and whites. They're disconnected, so we don't bother with any of that. All right, so now let's go to the passenger door. Check this out. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, let's take a look at the passenger front door. Ballistics panel. Door is really heavy. All right, here we go. All right, awesome. All right, so now let's get to the engine. Let you guys hear it at idle, and we'll be almost done. Oh, you know what? Let me show you guys the miles. Okay, 103.79 on the miles. All right. Let's turn this car on. It should be open. It is not, so let's open this up. All right, hang on. All right, engine. So guys, remember, none of my cars, whether it's an Explorer, Crown Vic, whatever it might be, we are never ever going to wash the engine. Whoever buys it, you're more than welcome to do whatever you want with it, but I'd rather give you a normal looking engine running with, the vehicle running good, than engine looking beautiful and the car runs like you know what, right? So that is my policy on this, and yeah, that's what it is. All right, so I'm gonna be quiet now, then you get to hear the engine idle. All right guys, so there you have it. 2016 Interceptor. You turn on the lights for you like that, you're able to see that the lights are fully functional. Okay, so check it out. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. 16 Interceptor, 100,000 miles, ready to be sold. If you have any questions, please give me a call, 909-457-5500. Just hit the 10-minute mark on this video, so it's time for me to go, guys. Okay, consider hitting the like button and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Okay, and also for pretty cool videos that are pretty cool content that's coming out, guys. Some of our other cars, so I'll be making the video as they're getting cleaned up. Okay, all right, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate everything, guys. Thanks for the support, thanks for the comments. God bless you guys. Have a blessed day. Let's go.